Hello everyone and welcome to the Sprint to NOD. Because we just held a meeting, maybe we can start it to when we still remember what the doctor inputs are. So maybe I can start, of course, by the first agenda about how can we improve the way our team works together. So, any guys want to input about any problem that we may have encountered?
I think for the presentation, we should like each person need to finish,
Oh
need
yeah,
to
about
finish their
presentation.
current,
Presentation order.
Order because the doctor told us to
so that doctor can easily give
Yeah.
us marks.
And also
And
maybe
then-
during our teamworks during the week, is there any comment that you guys want to make about how we work together?
Nothing from me.
So good.
same.
Maybe only the presentation order
Okay,
is
so our main concern about how we can improve our teamwork together is the presentation order. So the next step will be more clear, more
More
the briefing need
prepared.
to be more clear.
Mm.
Need to be clearer. And I can make sure of that. About the order, I will ask whenever we have to present our sprint. I will make sure that the order is already set. That's not a hard task. So maybe we can continue to the next agenda.
Okay.
So the next agenda will be the how we are tracking against goals. Do you guys
still
think we are still behind track, or we still behind the calendar or not?
maybe I can add for the sprint goal we have achieved our sprint goal, but we need to configure our MVVM for sure. The sprint goal is already on track.
MVVM is not set yet.
Mhm.
So the next step will be configuration of MVVM.
Yeah, configure MVVM. Maybe since in the sprint 3, that's a lot tasks assigned to Raffi and Akila. Maybe we can do it, Aldi. Maybe we can me
Okay.
and Aldika and Mahfud for the
and Mahfud. So the both of us will be the
Mhm.
person in charge. And then maybe the next part is the blocker of our progression. Do you guys think there are any blockers against our progressions? Maybe.
I think the broker is probably some kind like the source of for reference, since we sometimes we can encounter like an error, but we don't know how to resolve it. Like
So
especially for the MVVM like how to call it. I see like how the doctor call it in his example, the builder. We can implement it, but we don't actually know what does it use and how does it goes.
can I write down lack of reference and understanding, or just reference?
You can just write down it like that.
Okay, so the next step will be probably we need to contact the next other team, or maybe our friends that understood.
Yeah.
Contact other teams or friend to explain, and who is going to be in charge of it. Maybe Rafi can search for someone that.
I think all of us can probably can.
Okay,
can
so
be
can I just put all member? So of course the last part.
I think we can add one more, like
for the
searching
blockers,
more, searching. No, the steps.
Oh, the
Like
steps. Okay,
searching
okay.
more in the internet. So because if we just ask our teammates, doesn't seem to good. Yeah.
Research.
I think
Reference.
doctor said also that we need to ask him. If I'm not mistaken.
Write this down first, early for reference, and then set up a meeting with doctor if we get really stuck, like.
Yeah, if it's like really urgent.
Yeah.
Sorry, an urgent issue. Can I write it like that?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Or
Already done.
rather than urgent, you can just say like critical.
sorry, can you repeat?
You can just change urgent into critical, because urgent you have
Oh,
to
okay.
do it
Oh,
right
yeah.
away, but critical is something that is a big issue. Yeah.
Okay, can I repeat? Maybe is there any more that you want to add about the blocker?
No.
Mm,
Okay, so we
No.
can continue to the last agenda, which is the wins. I think I can start by, of course, stated by Mahfud, our sprint goal is met. We can put that right there, right?
Yeah. You can.
And is there any other I want that you
Maybe
that
on
you
the
guys want to
sprint
add?
goals, in the agenda item on review tracking against the goal, you can delete the sprint goal is met.
Okay,
Just change into wins. Okay. Only that.
so other wins, maybe guys want to add?
No.
Okay, so that's it. So for the next step, we'll just continue our sprint target, right?
Yes.
Yeah, sprint target. And of course, is there any more you want to add about the wins? So if not, then we can go to the parking lot. And last week, our parking lot was the MVVM test details and preparation of meeting. I think,
Yeah.
can we still bring that to the parking lot of this NOD?
Only for the
I think so.
MVVM.
I think preparation of meeting
Recommend.
also because the order.
I see. Yes.
Yeah.
So
But
yeah,
Sprint
for
order.
both
Okay.
of them, I can just drag into this sprint to NOD. Any other you want to add about the parking lot? Maybe we can discuss next meeting.
I think that's enough.
Okay, so if that's enough, I think we have covered all of the
I think
agenda.
rather than MVVM test details, you can get like MVVM configurations, like,
Okay,
because we know
configuration.
what we must do, but this is just for the configuration.
Okay, that's true.
And one more additionally, on the agenda wins, we don't need to add next steps.
Okay, let me just delete this.
Okay.
Okay,
That's all.
so maybe we can review it one last time, guys. Is there any more to
Okay.
change or add?
No.
For
Okay,
me, no.
so
That's
because
all.
all of us think that it is already set the standard, we have done our sprint 2 NOD. So the next part is we need to continue for the sprint 3. Next meeting, of course, we need to prepare the meeting even more because of the order and the MVVM, we need to configure it. I think, is there any more question that you guys want to discuss about? If
No.
not, then we can conclude the meeting. Thank you very much for coming to the meeting. I think we can end it right here. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.